What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the garage. Also, let's welcome back the E46 330i. So today's video is gonna be a quick one. If you guys have been following along on this channel, you'll probably recognize this car. This is kind of a project car between me and a couple buddies of mine. And one of the sponsors on this channel is Unique Style Racing. They've already sent over a couple products for us to install, one of which is these LED cornering lights right here, and as well as some smoked out taillights. So in today's video, we're actually going to be focusing on these ugly orange side markers here. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and replace these ugly orange side markers with some LEDs. Let's get to it. Before we go ahead and install, I figure I'll show you guys what we got here. So these are Depot brand. Once again, these are from Unique Style Racing, so huge shout out to them for sending these over. But these are Depot brand, and it is a direct replacement for the E46 two-door, four-door, and it would be for models from 98 to 02. So once again, I said these are LEDs. As you can see inside of here, we've got two different color bags. One is for the driver's side and one is for the passenger side, and they should look a lot better than these ugly orange ones. So here's a current look of the stock orange reflectors. As you guys can see, it's just got the one bulb inside of there. And no one really likes the amber, obviously, so I think it's gonna look a lot cleaner with the new clear LEDs. But I figured I'd show you guys what the stock one looks like currently, and then we can do a comparison between this and the Depot version from USR. Okay, so like I said, very quick and simple install here. A lot of these BMWs are pretty much the same process, so I actually did a similar video of replacing LED side markers on an E90, same general process. So if you look at the new one here, this is for the driver's side. On the back, you'll see this little metal clip, and then there's this little lip here. So basically it's just held on by these two little sections. So in order to remove this, you just need to slide it forward, pop this corner out, and then the whole thing will come out. So once again, slide forward, pull out the back side, and then the front side will come out. Now we're at this point, turn it 90 degrees, and then we'll pull this out here. So the thing about this new one here, all the LEDs are built in, obviously. So what we needed to do is actually, if you turn this counterclockwise, it'll pull the housing off. Then we need to go ahead and pull the bulb out of here, take our new one, plug it right back into its spot. It'll just sit in just like that. And then we can go ahead and reinstall. All right, there we go. So you gotta make sure that the back part hooks onto the fender, and then you should be good. All right, so there's a look of the new one, LEDs. So obviously it's broad daylight. It'll obviously be a lot brighter at nighttime, but that's what it'll look like. All right, so moving on to the passenger side, process is the same, forward and out. So forward, pull this back side out. Okay, unscrew, pull the bulb, don't let that slide back into the fender, take this new one out, plug it in, so it's not going anywhere, go ahead and reinstall, let's see. Like I said guys, super quick and easy process. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. Huge shout out to the guys over at Unique Style Racing for sending me these. I will put a link in the description if you want to purchase these for your E46 as well. Other than that, I guess stay tuned for the next one. We've got another install video on the E46 coming soon, so we'll see you then. Take care.